How to set a location wallpaper in SmartThings on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now in settings, we scroll down and then tap on connected devices. Then scroll down and tap on SmartThings. In here, select your location, then tap on the More button, and then tap on Manage Location or Members. Now, if you do not see Manage Location or Members from the pop-up menu, make sure you select Favorite. So, for example, if I have Devices tab selected at the bottom, then it will not show manage locations and members. So you want to select favorites, then tap on the More Options button, and then tap on Manage Location or Members. In here we go down and tap on Location Wallpaper, and say here Use Wallpapers in SmartThings. So tap on OK, and then tap on it again. In here you can select a wallpaper, a predefined wallpaper, or you can choose one from the gallery. So here I can choose one from my gallery. I can scroll down and select a wallpaper to use. So here, let's choose this background here. And then you can choose whether to blur the background or not. Then tap on Saved. And then tap on the back here, and the background should have changed. So let's go back into here and make sure that I have saved it. So I definitely have saved it. If I go back in here, now it has changed. And that is how you can apply or set a location background in SmartThings. Now it will apply to the location that you have selected. So you can see here, if I swap my location, it will change the background. So that background will apply to that selected location only. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.